Alright, hello and welcome to Lab 5. Not a whole lot to tell you here, I just want to give you an idea of what you're doing. So we're going to be implementing decks and stacks, but they are templated, which is the cool extra thing. So first you'll implement the deck class, this one right here, and all the standard stuff we've been talking about in class: push front, push back, pop front, pop back. And then to get the value, you'll use peek front and peek back. See if it's empty, get the size of the deck, things like that. And you'll be using the list as your underlying representation of the deck, okay? So that's not too bad. And remember, because this is templated, we can't go and use a .cpp file or something like that. Well, technically we could, we just have to include it down here because of the way that templates, the code for templates gets generated. It all has to stay together in a .h file. So that's the idea for that, and here I've started the push front function for you, just to give you an idea of what it needs to look like. You gotta put the template class T thing out there, and then it's not deck anymore, it's a specific kind of deck. It's deck of T, whatever that T is, okay? So that's how you'll be defining all your functions, and so you'll complete this and then add the rest, and then go and test it in your text deck.cpp. So I've given you one nice test with a lot of stuff, and you will write 2 more, and yeah, that's essentially the idea. We got the list as our representation. It'll just be manipulating that, all the stuff that you're used to, and yeah, so you'll finish that, get it working, write your tests, and then use your deck to write a stack class. Okay, so you got push, pop, and then instead of top, your textbook uses peak, so we'll use that here, but it's top. Just get the thing on the top of the stack. See if it's empty, get the size of the stack, things like that. And yeah, so you'll go and implement that as well as some more tests. So I've given you one test in this test-stack.cpp file, and you'll go and implement 2 more and get them all nice and passing, and that's essentially your lab. So a deck and a stack, the deck using a list, the stack using the deck, and yeah, it's all templated. So that's about it. Here's the rubric, and yeah, good luck.